What gives vintage drums that iconic sound? Well, back in the day, the drum manufacturers had issues with the toms going out of round. So what they did is they put reinforcement rings around the top and bottom edges of the drums. This fixed the problem with the shells going out of round and also had a fantastic effect on the tone. So it gives you that classic vintage tone. It's funny because back in the day they needed them for the structural integrity of the drum, but now you see companies putting these on their highest end drums for the sound.